Hello TVT traders, today we will discuss the most interesting predictions of the previous week, and as always we execute the most popular instruments in three groups: commodities, currencies and indices. Let's start with oil. The prediction was that the price will ignore this double top level here and will go higher after some correction movement. But we saw there was a false breakout of 110 level to the upside, stops removal, as you see, ask 100%, then involvement in shorts, technical shorts. And again, the price nicely respected the 108 level, and it was a volume level which already respected by the price before, when oil moved sharply to the downside. And now we saw that the price tested it as a mirror level and also went from it now to the upside. So volume levels work if we assess the global picture correctly. The next potential scenarios which I see in oil is this zone. This zone is very important now, and the price can break this zone, then retest and go to the volume level May 22. It is here. And also there is another scenario that the price will go higher to this border, and if HFTs here will be created, we can also work with shorts and expect the price movement to 106.50 cents. Also, for educational purposes, I want to mention this situation. Here was a mirror level. It was respected a bit, then broken, and fast rejection. So here we saw a lot of ask volume, because traders they predicted, they expected that the price will go higher to this top level, but there was one more squeeze down and then rejection. So if you work with HFT volumes, I want to say that the most uncomfortable trades, you see that this trade was very uncomfortable, and so it made very fast risk to reward. Here is even more than 1 to 3, and it was reached during the half of the day. Such risk to reward we can expect in comfortable trades for days, even weeks, and here it is reached very fastly. So try to find such situation, and of course you can choose to trade comfortably, but to wait and to struggle with market. But you can also find some situation which are not comfortable, very uncomfortable, but they have logic, and use them for better risk to reward ratio and better advantage on market. S&P 500 and other indices have a chance to go higher next week one more time. Here I showed you that there was a good potential upside movement because of block trades imbalance was created on the daily week on May 12th. And for now, we can observe an imbalance with stopping HFT's volumes, and after the breakdown of the support structure 3850 they were created. It seems very optimistic, but the target can be mapped out on the June 23rd volume level here. And also we can see options payouts level and cumulative data level. Of course, they will be like a magnet for the price. Also here a lot of HFTs. So I think that next week we can see the price movement to the upside to these levels. And also funds and hedgers are hesitating about their future price movements. They open positions, then they close, open positions and close. So I think we will see some range on the daily chart. And what about gold? Don't think that the bullish rally is over. Of course, the corrections will be, but the target is 1920. Here is it. Commercial level. Why the potential is so big, except very big HFT volumes, amazing divergence of cumulative delta by volume and by quantity of trades. Also here 3 volume levels. And there is also one secret for you. When I see an increase in volumes in the block trades in some asset, not on the gold, it means that afterward there will be some significant movement, not during 2 days or 3, it can be weeks. So the task only to find the entry point. And I see this additional entry point on silver. I tried to focus your attention before on these put blocks because here these imbalances was a real signal for buying opportunity, and our first target 22 it was reached, and now we have additional HFT volumes and we can expect their further movement to 22.5 at least. It is volume level here, March 22, and also option payouts level. The one thing that I don't like here is this trend line, because people buy from the trend line and it can be broken, some liquidation of stops. When I see HFT volumes directly on some horizontal important levels or trend lines, there is some risk that the price will break these HFT levels, because smart money short levels, short in levels, because here are a lot of liquidity. Smart money short in levels, and then they broke these levels, and the corner of the trend is changed. There will be uptrend, but this corner can be changed, and the price can go from here to the upside. So be careful, as the trend line can be broken. It will be necessary to reopen position if you entered here. Euro also beautiful, as we expected. It made a significant movement to the upside, and now achieved a commercial level 1.6 here. The commercial level, it means that a very big position was opened at this level. Funds and hedgers positions, and then price return to such important levels that we use them as a target also for price. And now after these HFT volumes, I think that will be continuation. We go further. Maybe there will be some correction, but the target, the next target, we can see the options payouts level here, 1.07. And of course the same picture for the British pound. Here put blocks also work like magnet for prices. So we expect upside movement in British pound. As a result, traders, as you see, everything is bullish. Gold, silver, euro, S&P 500. It is bullish, and I will try to find some buying opportunities in these assets. So if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our TVT Trading Volume Terminal YouTube channel. If you trade volumes, it will be interesting for you for sure. Have a good weekend, and I wish you to find nice opportunities for trading. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.